I, Konika Miss is speaking to. Welcome back to my channel. My channel is Study in My Life. আমি অনেক দিন ধরে এই আসামে আছি। আসামে আমার জন্ম, তাই আসামের একজন বিখ্যাত মানব নাম তরুণরাম ফুকন সম্পর্কে বর্ণনা করছি। এখন আমি তরুণরাম ফুকন সম্পর্কে বর্ণনা করতে যাচ্ছি। চলো আমরা সবাই মিলে দেখা যাক কি বর্ণনা করব। Write an essay about Tharunram Phukon and his achievements in 400 words. Tharunram Phukon was a prominent leader of Assam. He was popularly known as Deshabhakta. He was born on 22nd January 1877 in Assam. He was one of the leaders of Assam who actively joined India's freedom struggle, and he was born in Bharlumuk in Guwahati. He was a prominent member of a political organization then named Assam Association till 1920. Phukon played an important part in forming the Assam branch of the Indian National Congress in 1921. He was elected its first president. Contribution to Assamese literature. He narrated his hunting experiences in several works. He served as the president of the Assam Sahitya Sabha at its Goalpara session in 1927. In his presidential address at the Sahitya Sabha session, Phukon said, "We Assamese are a distinct nationality amongst Indians." Phukon was an extremist agitator and a blind follower of Gandhiji. He was the leading organizer of the non-cooperation movement and the Khalia Path movement. He was the president of the Guwahati Congress Committee. He boycotted the visionary visit to Guwahati in October 1920 and the governor's visit in April 1921. He was popularly called Deshabhakta as he was a patriot who owed his love for his country on his slavery. Phukon was chairman of Assamese origin and paid officer. Now the Deshkandans use it as a surname. This is usually used among the people of Assamese origin and others. He worked for spreading education, upliftment of the underprivileged sections of society. He fought for movement of untouchability. He was a prominent political leader, hunter and writer. এখানেই আমার বর্ণনা শেষ করলাম। আশা করি তোমরা সবার পছন্দ হলে লাইক এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করবে। ধন্যবাদ।